Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Bros Behind the Keyboard. So for today's video, we will be taking a PDF file and we will be encrypting it using password and Python. So the first thing we need to do is we need to open an IDE. In my case, I'm using PyCharm and I have this project open called PDF handling. I will just right click and I would just right click and let me create a new file and I will name it, not a Python file actually. I would like to create a new directory. So I will go here and I will say PDF encryption. Now that this is done, I would go here and create a new Python file and I would name it main. Now that I have the main file open, I would go to the terminal and I need to have a package installed, and the name of the package is pypdf2. So what we are going to say, pip install pypdf2. Now when I click enter, it should just take a few seconds for the whole thing to download. And as you can see, I have already downloaded it on my device. So what I will do is I will say from pypdf2 import, and here I will say PDF file writer, PDF file reader and PDF file writer. Then I would make a function called add encryption. So to do this, I would say add encryption, and it will accept three parameters. The first thing will be the in file, then the next thing will be the out file, and the third thing will be the password. Now when I enter this function, I will say writer is equal to PDF file writer and reader is equal to PDF file reader. Okay, then I will open a loop for page in range 0 to and we'll say reader dot get number of pages, and after that I'll again put a colon to enter this loop, and here I will say writer dot encrypt, and here I will give it three parameters. So the first thing should be the user password. User password is equal to, and we'll give it the password which we have entered into the function. Then the owner of the password, and we'll just give it a value none at the time so that anyone can access it, but they should have the correct password. And then I will put the last parameter, which is the use 82-bit 128-bit encryption. So we'll say use 82-bit, and here we'll say true. This gives it the permission to create a complex password. Then we'll go down and we should exit this loop. And then again here we will open another thing saying with open out file and in the mode wb as file. Here we'll say writer dot write and we'll give it the input f. Okay, that's it. We are done with this function, and now the only thing we need to do is call the function, and I would call it by saying if name is equal to main. So what I will do is I will say if main if name is equal to main, and I will do that by name is exactly equal to main, then it will go and actually call the function, and and I'll give it the parameters. Say input comma output comma, and suppose let me give it the password bbktb. Now that this is done, actually wait, I think we have used output before, so let me just see the error. Okay, wait, we cannot do this, so we need to say input dot pdf, and here also we need to put, and we'll put dot pdf. Now that this is done, I would just let's see, I will copy I will just copy the directory, and here when I open my file manager here, and I'll just paste the path here, and if you remember from the previous videos, I will just take this input file, actually not from here, I will take the input file from here, and here the input has been converted into a PDF. I'll just take this and copy it, and in this I will paste it. You say paste, and I will give it the name input. When this is done, I'll just run this. I'll run this program, and I'll just wait for the message to come. Let me just run the program once again, and I'm letting it run, and see, it started converting. So oh wait, no, this is I am running the wrong file. I need to run this file, and I'll let this one run. And okay, so the error which we are getting is that it is missing the thing, I mean the self argument. So what we will do here is, um all right, yeah, so the mistake which we have made is, we need to go here and we need to say writer dot add page, writer dot add page, and here we will give it the input reader dot get page, and we will give it the input page. Okay, now that that is done, we need to go out and get this out of the loop. Now we will run it again, and okay, again we are getting the same thing. So what we will do is, okay, so the mistake which we have made is, we need to put brackets in here because it's a method call, and here again we need to give, and we'll give it the input in file. Now when we run this, let's see what happens, and it's finished with exit code 0, which means the program has run successfully. Now when I click here, there is an input.pdf which I put earlier, and there is an output.pdf. Now I can go to my file explorer, and when I type this, not quick access, just need to go here, and when I get here, I will just click on this, and let me just double tap on the output. Now as you can see, it has asked me for a PDF, I mean it has asked me for a password. So what I will do is, I will just enter the password TKB, and now when I click enter, I can wait for it. Okay, so the caps lock was on, and I will say BBKTB. When I click OK, the file should just pop up right here. And as you can see, the file is here. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy more awesome content like this, please subscribe to our channel Bros Behind the Keyboard, so that you can watch amazing programs written using Python and other programming languages. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.